Come test drive the 2021 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.